Hello, my name is Fred Villaverde. I'm the founder from Shifters, and today I'm proud to present to you CopyCut AI, which is the ultimate content marketing solution, which can actually create content at scale in a faster way and with more cost savings from a team perspective. So today I'd like to introduce you the new business performance engine, and for that I'll use this analogy. Imagine you're driving a Beetle, you're stuck in the traffic in a city like New York, and you're basically driving yourself at 10 kilometers or even 20 kilometers per hour, and you're always stuck in the traffic jam. While on the right, you have your competitors, which are basically driving a Porsche, and they're driving at 150 or 300 kilometers per hour, and they're driving at speed and with one specific nuance. They have this thing called a turbo. And turbo is exactly the difference between you today on the left versus you tomorrow on the right. If this is not clear, let me be clear. Your marketing is currently driving a Beetle when you could be driving a Porsche. If you're doing any kind of copy or what we call manual marketing, that's kind of the first layer approach, and you're basically driving your business at 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. If you're using any type of outsourced copy, you might be driving at a faster pace, like 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. If you're using some kind of generic AI like ChatGPT, you might be driving at 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. But if you're using an ultimate edge like CopyCut AI, you're going to start driving your business and copy at scale, like at 150 to 300 kilometers per hour. So the solution is to actually create and use what we call the new performance engine. With this new engine, you get the cutting edge AI technology. Yes, we do have proprietary intelligence of prompts. We have already proven performance. For example, in Brazil, we have a real estate company which is listed in the stock market called Cirela, and they're using CopyCut inside their marketing team to drive really great copy at scale to sell more of their own apartments. We also have companies in Brazil, for example, CCAA. They've been working there with franchisees, with over 500 franchisees for the past 60 years, and they also use CopyCut to use it to perform the different types of copy which they can use inside their marketing teams. And with this, you get the best output, which is basically scalable results. So the solution is to use the CopyCut AI, or what we prefer to call the turbo. And the turbo refers to the fact that you can actually create 50 marketing materials in 30 minutes. You'll use 10 native languages, 53 regionalities, and premium templates. Yes, this is a proprietary and complete automation system which can accelerate your marketing. And for that, you need to understand the waves of AI. Wave number one is what we call the chat AI. This is like the basic way where most people start. They open up ChatGPT, you ask a question, and you get an answer. Then you get into what we call the wave number two, which is the AI workflows. This is better. It's when you start adding, for example, a document like a contract, and you ask ChatGPT to analyze and give you back what's good or bad in the contract. And after doing this multiple times, you'll get to the point where you'll kind of try to automate it with AI automation. You get like 5 or 10 rules which you've seen that you've been replicating and just repeating themselves. And now you just add context into the machine, and the machine will use those rules in order to build what we call AI automation or workflows of prompts. This is advanced, it's better. But the moment you need to get this at scale and not just ask one question, but like 10, 20, 30, or whatever, 50 questions, for that you're going to need, it's the wave number four, where you need to use product with APIs, and that's where CopyCut AI comes in. There's a fifth wave, which is to use basically the agents, the AI agents. We're not going to cover that in this presentation, but do know that wave also exists. Now, why is CopyCut different versus ChatGPT? Number one, you don't need to know any type of AI. You don't need to know how to build a prompt. This is faster because, again, you're going to use automated workflows with APIs. It's more accurate because it uses 9 tones of voice, and it's cheaper because it saves you massive time. This is a demo of CopyCut. So the moment you start using the tool will only ask you for 3 inputs. Number one, what is your perfect customer, or ICP? And you just type in or use one of our premium templates where it will just need to select so you can have those answers ready. What is your niche market? And you just type in, learn English online, or whatever kind of niche you have. If you don't know the niche, just get export templates, and it'll give you some ideas and suggestions. And then you have the context. You need to add some type of site data, landing page data, competitors data, emails data, e-commerce data, SQ data. So you can either use, for example, you open up a page, you do copy and paste for the home page, and boom, you just type it there. Or you go to your competitor's home page and you just do copy and paste of the text, and you go to CopyCut, you copy the text from the home page, and now you just hit generate VSL, and it will start beginning all the prompts we have, and you're going to start to build this engine which is going to basically spit multiple copy at scale. On top of that, you're going to choose the output. Oh, I want the copy output to be in Portuguese, English, Spanish, French, and you just need to select whatever type of language you want, or regionality if you prefer. This can use up till Chinese, Hindu, and many other languages. And then you choose the the tone of voice. This can be the selling mode, business and trust, professional tone, formal, expert, casual, social media, sensitive communication, and friendly. And then once you're done, you just start rolling the machine. And what you'll get is from 0 to 50 marketing materials in 30 minutes. You're going to get guaranteed professional quality. Again, you use 9 tones of voice for your brand, so you're going to get instant results. And the exact output you can expect is the following: 20 high converting headlines, which you can use in your landing pages. You can use 10 SEO optimized frequently asked questions, so you can actually drive more traffic from Google. You can get 4 VSLs, which stand for video sales letters. You're going to get both a harder version and softer versions because of Meta Ads policies. You're going to get 10 slides for B2B presentations, which can also be used, for example, as bullets for landing pages. Then you can get 10 unique marketing mechanism ideas, 2 LinkedIn outbound prospecting messages, 2 email outbound prospecting messages, 2 sales conversions for sales teams or commercial teams. You get 20 memorable product name ideas, 1 upsell script for your thank you pages, 5 order bumps and 3 irresistible offers, 15 emails for your campaigns. It doesn't matter if you have just a lead list or a customers list, you'll get 15 emails ready to plug, 10 video scripts for YouTube. Then you have 10 Google Ads keywords campaigns and ad groups, which are built automatically, and you just need to copy and paste the generated information straight into AdWords editor, and you should have the campaign up and running in under 24 hours. Then you have like 3 ads for Meta Ads with interests, budgets, and sometimes even you get demographic information. You get 5 ads for TikTok campaigns. And the old way is, if you start noticing, is it would take you anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks of work to get all this copy done. You would have to invest up to $5,000 to either have one extremely good copywriter, or perhaps a team of people, like 3 to 5 people, which could be shared or fully dedicated depending on the complexity of the project. But you'd have no guarantee of results. Now, this is what's important. The investment up to $5,000 refers to running one project. We have, for example, e-commerce people, and they have multiple SKUs. And what they're doing is they're doing multiple projects, so you can actually get this cost of doing things. For example, if you had to run the project on a monthly basis, it would not cost you up to $5,000. In 12 months, it would cost you actually like $60,000. So there's a lot of cost savings you get the moment you start using CopyCut. And the new way is, in only 30 minutes, you can run one entire project to get all those 50 marketing materials. You do this at a fraction of the cost, and you can really assign just one single person, which will use one single machine for CopyCut in this case. And again, you can use the 9 tones of voice and the 53 regional accents. So can you start to understand why your new turbo is CopyCut AI? You get more accuracy. Again, you have voice tones and languages to actually use. It's faster because you get the workflows automation. Instead of using ChatGPT with one basic question and one basic answer, you get like 10, 20, or 50, depending on how many prompts you're going to use at scale. And it's cheaper because it's going to save you huge amounts of time when compared with doing this with a huge team. By the way, it's easy to use. There's no AI learning curve. You can set up yourself in under 5 minutes. The training is included. You get priority support, and yes, results are within 30 minutes. Cost savings performance guarantee for CopyCut AI. Yes, we do offer a triple guarantee. Number 1, you will get greater cost savings within the next 30 days. You will also get professional quality guarantee on the output because, again, we use the tones of voice. And in the end, you should be completely satisfied. And if you're not, for whatever reason, we will give your money back for the next 30 days. So we really hope you have enjoyed this call. At the moment I'm doing this recording, we're literally in beta mode. So if you want to talk in WhatsApp and book a call so you can know more about pricing or specific technical details, and so you can participate from this beta launch, feel free to give us to contact us. Again, either book a call or use WhatsApp, and either myself or someone from my team will be available and ready to speak to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do have a great day.